How to log into TikTok Ads Manager. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open web browser and search ads.tiktok.com/business/en, which will lead you to this page. Here, press on login at the top right corner of your screen, which will lead you to this page. Here, add your email address. After you have added your email address, add password, or you can simply click on login with TikTok and directly log in with TikTok as well. Then press on login. It will ask you create a new TikTok for business account if you don't have one, but if you already have an account, it will directly log in you to TikTok Ads Manager. And this is how to log in to TikTok Ads Manager. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.